Have you ever looked at a beautiful garden, lush with vibrant flowers, neatly trimmed shrubs, and elegant decorations, and thought, I could never afford that? Or maybe you've been wishing for a space where you can sit, relax, and enjoy the outdoors, but your patio just doesn't seem like the place for that dream garden? Well, I'm here to tell you that not only is it possible to transform your small patio into a beautiful, expensive-looking oasis, but you can do it all on a budget. Yes, you heard that right. No need for fancy tools or a big wallet, just a little creativity, a bit of elbow grease, and some affordable DIY tricks that will make your neighbors think you hired a professional. So, grab a seat, relax, and let's dive into 10 small patio garden ideas that will leave you amazed by what you can create. And before we jump into all these amazing garden ideas, if you're new to the channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We share tons of gardening tips designed specifically for seniors, whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out. And don't forget to stay tuned till the end, because I've got a special bonus tip that you won't want to miss. Trust me, it's going to blow you away. Idea 1. The vertical herb garden. This idea is a game changer for small patios. By growing your herbs vertically, you can save space and still create that garden feel without cluttering your patio. Picture this. Using an old wooden pallet or even a repurposed shoe rack to create your own vertical herb garden. It's a DIY project that's not only budget-friendly, but it also adds character to your outdoor space. You can line the shelves with a variety of herbs: basil, rosemary, thyme, whatever suits your cooking needs. You'll have fresh herbs right at your fingertips, ready to elevate your meals. Vertical gardening is perfect for small spaces because it takes advantage of unused height. You can attach the pallet to a wall or fence, or simply use a standing frame for easy access. And the best part? It's a completely customizable project. You can paint the pallet to match your style, and arrange the herbs however you like, either by height, color, or use. A simple, eco-friendly solution that looks chic and works wonders. Now, here's a tip for making this even easier for you, especially if bending down or reaching is a concern. You can use self-watering pots or a drip irrigation system. This way, your plants get the moisture they need without requiring constant attention. It's less bending, less lifting, and more enjoying your garden with minimal effort. Plus, you won't need to worry about watering every day. Just set up the system and let it take care of itself. Idea 2. DIY string lights for ambience. Let's talk about how you can instantly transform your patio into a cozy, inviting retreat with a few simple string lights. I'm sure you've seen them before. Those twinkling lights that seem to make everything feel magical. Whether you're hosting a small gathering or just enjoying a quiet evening alone, string lights can create a soft, warm glow that makes your patio feel like a luxury escape. All you need are some fairy lights and a little creativity. Here's an easy idea. Try hanging the lights across your patio with hooks, or even better, wrap them around the edge of a railing or along a trellis. You can also place them inside mason jars to create a vintage, charming feel. They give off a gentle, flickering glow, perfect for setting the mood. And don't be afraid to experiment. You can drape them over a pergola, along a garden fence, or even across the backs of chairs for a full effect. So, I want to ask you, do you have a favorite spot where you love to unwind outdoors in the evening? Picture that space glowing softly under the light of string lights. Wouldn't that just make your patio feel like your own little sanctuary? I'd love to hear about where you'd put these lights in your own garden. Let me know in the comments. And remember, it doesn't take much to create a beautiful space. You'd be surprised what a little light can do. Idea 3. The DIY succulent wall. Imagine transforming a simple wooden board or an old, shallow picture frame into a stunning vertical garden. This is such a unique way to display succulents, and trust me, the results will blow you away. Not only do succulents come in all sorts of colors, from vibrant reds and oranges to soothing greens and purples, but they're also incredibly easy to care for. And because they thrive in smaller pots, they're perfect for small spaces, like a cozy patio. Succulent walls are a great way to maximize vertical space without cluttering your patio. You can repurpose old picture frames, drawer organizers, or even an old window frame. These can all be turned into eye-catching, living pieces of art. Fill the spaces with a variety of succulents, cactus, echeveria, aloe, or even string of pearls, and voila! You've got yourself a gorgeous and lush display. Succulents require minimal watering, and they'll look stunning year-round, adding that high-end, curated look to your patio without costing a fortune. Now, for a senior-friendly twist, rather than using small pots that require constant bending and reaching, opt for larger, deeper pots. These will not only reduce the need for frequent bending, but they also provide more space for the roots to grow, ensuring your succulents stay healthy and vibrant. You can also set up a small ledge at eye level, so you don't need to strain to enjoy the beauty of your succulent wall. Idea 4. Outdoor fabric cushions for luxe comfort. Let's talk about a simple yet powerful way to elevate the look and feel of your patio furniture: outdoor fabric cushions. With just a few well-placed cushions and throws, you can completely transform your basic patio chairs into something that feels like a luxury retreat. You don't need to buy brand new furniture or spend a fortune. Simple upgrades can make all the difference. Picture this: a few plush cushions in soft, inviting colors, maybe a pattern throw or two, and suddenly your basic patio furniture becomes the perfect spot for relaxation. Want your patio to feel like a chic, high-end getaway? Adding fabric cushions and outdoor pillows will do just that. It's all about creating a space that feels comfortable and stylish, where you can unwind after a long day. Imagine sitting in your favorite chair, wrapped in a soft throw, sipping a cool drink, and enjoying the fresh air. Doesn't that sound like the perfect way to spend a relaxing afternoon? And the best part? You don't have to break the bank. You can repurpose old cushions from your home or use inexpensive outdoor fabric to create your own custom cushions. It's a fun DIY project. Just grab some fabric, a cushion insert, and a sewing kit or glue gun, and you can easily make cushions that suit your style. For an even more personal touch, try using old curtains or tablecloths to create unique, one-of-a-kind cushions that will add personality and warmth to your outdoor space. Idea 5. The budget-friendly water feature. Imagine the peaceful sound of flowing water, the gentle trickle of a small fountain adding a calming ambience to your patio. Today, I'm going to show you how easy it is to create your very own water feature using simple materials you probably already have lying around. You don't need an expensive, elaborate system to enjoy the tranquility of a water fountain. With just an old bucket, a small pump, and a few aquatic plants, you can craft a beautiful, budget-friendly water feature that will transform your outdoor space into a peaceful retreat. Water features aren't just decorative, they bring a sense of calm and relaxation that can really elevate your garden. And the best part? You don't need to be an expert to set it up. Just get an old bucket or a decorative container, place a small water pump inside, and fill it with some water-loving plants like water lilies or floating ferns. In no time, you'll have a soothing fountain that looks like it belongs in a high-end garden at a fraction of the price. Plus, the gentle sound of running water will bring a sense of serenity to your patio, making it the perfect spot for unwinding after a long day. So, how does the sound of water make you feel? Relaxed? Calm? I know for me, it always adds a special touch to any outdoor space. I'd love to hear how you feel about having water in your garden. Let me know in the comments. Do you think you'd enjoy having a little fountain on your patio? I bet it would add such a peaceful vibe. Idea 6. Lush green lawn with faux grass. Now, let's talk about a way to get that lush, manicured lawn look, without all the hassle of mowing, watering, or dealing with the maintenance that comes with a real lawn. Faux grass is an excellent solution for small spaces, and it's incredibly easy to install. Whether you're working with a small patio, balcony, or even a tiny backyard, faux grass can give you the vibrant, green space you've always wanted, with minimal effort required. Not everyone has the time or energy for a real lawn, especially when you're dealing with a small area. Faux grass looks just like the real thing, and the best part is that it doesn't need any upkeep. No mowing, no watering, no weeding. Once it's installed, it stays beautiful and green all year long. It's perfect for those who want the look of a lush lawn without the work. Plus, faux grass is easy to clean. Just hose it down every once in a while, and you're good to go. And for those of us who want to spend more time enjoying the garden than maintaining it, faux grass is a lifesaver. It's an ideal choice for seniors who might not want to spend time on lawn care. It's low maintenance and provides that clean, manicured look without any of the hard work. Just roll it out, secure it in place, and enjoy the fresh, green vibe of your patio without any of the hassle. And for a little extra comfort, you can even lay down a comfy outdoor rug over it for a cozy touch. Idea 7. Vertical garden with repurposed shoe racks. Those shoe racks that are collecting dust in your closet can be transformed into beautiful garden shelves, perfect for plants or flowers. It's a fantastic way to add height and structure to your patio, giving you more space to showcase your plants while keeping everything neat and organized. Plus, it's an eco-friendly way to repurpose something that would otherwise be discarded. I bet you've never thought of using your old shoe racks in this way, right? It's one of those simple yet clever ideas that makes a huge difference. Whether you use a vertical rack for herbs, succulents, or cascading flowers, this little hack instantly adds charm and function to your patio. It's a great way to keep your plants organized and to create a cozy, green space without taking up too much room. So, I'm curious, what's the most creative thing you've ever repurposed for your garden? Do you have an old item lying around your house that you could turn into a beautiful garden accent? Let me know in the comments and share your ideas with the community. I love seeing how creative everyone can get with their garden projects. Idea 8. Garden bench planter combo. Imagine having a comfortable bench for relaxing, but with the added bonus of built-in planters underneath. This design maximizes your space by combining seating and gardening in one beautiful piece of furniture. You can easily build your own bench with simple materials and add planter boxes underneath, creating an integrated look that's both practical and visually appealing. By using this simple yet effective design, you not only save valuable space but also create a beautiful focal point for your patio. Planting flowers or herbs in the planter boxes under the bench adds a lush, green touch that blends seamlessly with your seating area. It's a perfect solution for small patios where every inch counts, and it makes a lovely spot to sit back and enjoy your garden without needing additional furniture. For seniors, this design offers a comfortable spot to relax and enjoy the garden without needing to stand or crouch. The raised planters keep your plants within easy reach, so you can maintain them without bending down or straining. Plus, it's a fantastic way to make the most of a smaller space, combining seating and gardening into one compact solution. 10. Idea 9. The Easy Herb Spiral. His garden design uses bricks or stones to create a spiral shape, where the plants grow upwards, creating levels for your herbs. It's not just a functional idea, but it's also a beautiful design that adds a touch of elegance to your patio. It's perfect for those who want to maximize vertical space while growing a variety of herbs in one compact area. This spiral garden is an amazing way to utilize your space creatively. It's visually appealing, and because the plants grow in tiers, it creates a lovely, textured look in your outdoor space. Plus, it's a fantastic use of space for growing herbs like basil, mint, or parsley. And the best part? It makes your patio feel like a cozy little herb garden right in the heart of your home. For seniors, this herb spiral makes planting and harvesting so much easier. By stacking the herbs in a spiral pattern, you bring the plants to eye level, making it simple to access them without bending or stooping. This design is especially great for seniors who may find it challenging to kneel down in a traditional garden bed. With the herbs raised up in the spiral, everything is within easy reach, making your gardening experience more comfortable and enjoyable. Idea 10. DIY colorful pots with a personal touch. You can take simple terracotta pots and transform them into stunning, custom creations. Whether you paint them with vibrant colors, add mosaic tiles, or use stencils, there are endless ways to personalize your planters and make them an extension of your style. Imagine your patio filled with colorful pots that match the vibe of your outdoor space. You can paint the pots with your favorite colors or create fun patterns that tie in with your garden. If you're feeling adventurous, you can even try making a mosaic design using old tiles or broken dishes. This gives your garden a unique, personalized touch that reflects your creativity and adds character to your patio. So, I have a question for you. What colors do you love for your garden pots? Do you prefer bright, bold hues, or more muted tones? I'd love to know what colors bring your garden to life. Share your thoughts in the comments and let's inspire each other with new ways to add personality to our outdoor spaces. Well, there you have it, 10 simple and creative ideas to turn your small patio into a beautiful, high-end garden without breaking the bank. From vertical herb gardens and DIY water features to colorful, personalized pots and lush faux grass lawns, these ideas are all about making your space more inviting and enjoyable. And the best part? They're easy to do, budget-friendly, and perfect for seniors who want to create a garden oasis with minimal effort. You don't need fancy tools or expensive materials, just a little creativity and some simple DIY tricks. So, which idea are you going to try first? I'm excited to hear which project you're most excited about. Let me know in the comments below, and feel free to share your own gardening tips and ideas as well. And if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can keep getting more gardening tips designed just for you. We'll be back with more ideas on how to create beautiful outdoor spaces that fit your lifestyle. So grab your tools, get started, and watch your outdoor space transform into a peaceful, beautiful haven. Happy gardening!